offices, like for example, if I work in a gym, how do we restrict numbers in the gym to 6 people, maximum 2 households? Are they going to close gyms? Are they going to prevent people from going to gym classes? We know what they've said about restaurants and pubs, but people's working environments are not restricted to offices.
No,
Yeah,
but people's work environments, if they're back at work, should be COVID secure.
yeah, but how do you do that when they're now reducing the numbers from 30 to 6?
Yes, they are, but
Yeah, and I know that they're saying it's social situations, but
yes,
but that the COVID doesn't isolate itself to people meeting in homes and
no, of course not, which is why
the virus wasn't just in social situations.
I don't know what you mean by social situations, actually. I think what you mean is it's not limiting itself to just people's homes. You spread it about at work as well. And I guess the response to that is, well, if you're back at work, your workplace should be COVID secure to try and prevent as much as possible the spread of the virus happening at work. And I guess where the concern is who the hell is COVID securing their own home? You've not put a Perspex screen up and those hand gel stations in your own house, have you? So that is where the concern clearly is, because if you're having a shindig round yours for a bit, or you're getting mates round, or you actually that is something that I hadn't quite thought about then.